DJI has just improved the quality of the sound recorded with the DJI Mic 2. So in this video, two things gonna happen. The first, I'm gonna take you easy step by step how to update your DJI Mic 2 to the latest firmware. And secondly, I'm gonna compare side by side, the old version with the new version of the firmware. What is the improvement? What is the quality of the sound that this new firmware bring? Hakuna Matata, my friend. So before we go into the easy step by step to update it, why not you do me a favor? Can you like this video? Can you subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet? All right, so we're gonna start by checking the firmware. So we're gonna start with the receiver. All right, so here is the receiver. So we're gonna go into the setting and let's go into version, and then we'll click, and here we have it. So that is the version of firmware that we have, 04.03.08.31. So that's what we have. Okay, let me show you. If you want to check also the version of the transmitter, is easy as well. So you just pull the transmitter, and when the transmitter on, so then you just move to the next page. So that transmitter one have the same. So let me pull the transmitter, the second transmitter. So here the second transmitter, it said the second transmitter is the version 000000. So now we know what is the version that we have in our DJI. So the next thing, we're gonna go into the website and find what is the latest firmware that's available for us to download. So here we are at the DJI website where we're gonna download the new firmware. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, so don't worry, you're gonna get all those links. So let's look at it. So here are the firmware. So DJI Mic 2, so firmware version 04.05.01.11 for the receiver, and also firmware version 04.05.01.11 for the transmitter. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna download it. So first, we're gonna download the firmware for the receiver. So we just press download. Now it's downloading. Quick, it's download. And also I'm gonna download the firmware for the transmitter too. Download it. So both of them have been downloaded now. And also it was released August 9. All right. So after downloading the firmware, so now we're gonna start by updating the Mic 2. So we're gonna start by the receiver. So make sure that the receiver is off. Now the receiver is off. So I'm gonna connect it to the Mic. So I'm using the Mic. So I'm gonna connect it. So I'm gonna allow it. Show something, no name. All right. So here's the no name. Now I'm copying the receiver, that bin, into the root of the no name, which is the receiver. DJI. So it's only 2.1 MB, and it's taking a little bit longer to copy. Don't be concerned. Last time I was updating, it's also taking a little bit longer. Now it's done. The file is uploaded to the DJI receiver. So the next thing, we need to disconnect it from the computer. So I'm just gonna disconnect it. I'm gonna remove the cable, and you can see something updating. It's gonna take a little bit of time, or just gonna wait. It's not gonna be that long. 2 or 3 minutes or something like that. So the receiver is successfully updated to the latest firmware. So we can just check. So now we're gonna go into receiver setting. We check the setting. We go to the version. We check the version. You can see it's 04.05.01.11. So that's the latest. The next thing we're gonna be updating is the transmitter. One of the transmitter here, right? And I'm gonna update it. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And also, if you are not like this video yet, please do like it now. So we're gonna go through the same process. I'm gonna connect the transmitter to the computer now. Again, here we have no name. So now I'm gonna copy the file into the root of the transmitter. Now it's copied, and I'm gonna disconnect it, and you will see when it's blinking green, red, changing color, it means that now the transmitter is being updated to the latest firmware. And when it's finished updating, so then the color of the light is just gonna be the normal color green, and also vibrate it. So vibrate it. So now we can check. We're gonna use the receiver to check it. All right, it's coming on. So now let's go to the receiver setting, and then we go to the version. So that is the version for the receiver. Next page, that's the version of the transmitter. You can see TX1 04, 05, 01, 11. Transmitter and receiver have the latest firmware. So this receiver number 1 that has a new firmware. In this one, it is the old firmware. So we can check. You can see transmitter 2 is say 00000. So it's not the latest firmware. All right, so now we're going to be testing both transmitters and we're going to record internally because both of them can record internally. I mean, in my left hand is the transmitter with the latest firmware, and in my right hand is a transmitter that has the old version. So I'm going to turn them on. I'm going to press record, and both of them recording. Now you see the red means that's recording. So now we're going to be recording. We're going to be just testing just to see if there is any quality improvement between the last firmware and the latest firmware. Now I'm just testing the receiver which have the latest firmware with the one that has the old firmware, just to understand if there is any quality in the new firmware update as stated by DJI. And now you're hearing me from the receiver who has the firmware updated. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, it is a beautiful opportunity for you now to subscribe. Now you're hearing from the receiver who has the old version. Have you liked this video yet? If not, it is a beautiful opportunity now to like this video. Between those two, do you see any difference in the quality of the sound? Now, it is the receiver with no new firmware, the old firmware. Now, it is the receiver with the new firmware. Can you see the difference in my voice? Can you hear the difference in my voice? Is the quality has improved? Is the quality less on the old version? It is better in the new version? How would we know? I think that after when I'm editing, that's what I'm gonna understand the difference between these two. But the moment what I'm recording now, I will not hear them. Okay, so now that is the test for you. Now I'm going to update the transmitter too to the latest firmware. So now we can see both transmitters has the latest firmware, like 04, 05, 01, 011. So both my transmitter and as well the receiver has the same firmware, the latest firmware. That is great. Hakuna Matata, my friend. So that's the video for you. If you find this video very useful, give me a thumbs up and also share with your friend that have a DJI Mic too. And also subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss those type of video that I have for you guys, right? As always, from me, God bless you, God protect you, and stay safe. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.